Hi everyone. According to my time right now, I think it's evening. Okay, so why am I doing this video? The question is how and where to learn code. Okay, so I'm going to share some useful links to answer that question, noma those questions. Ukuthi ngingayifunda kanjani code and ngingayifundaphi. Okay, le link leyo yokuqala w3schools.com can help you. Okay, once ke wangena lapha, you can click on tutorials and then bese select any language of your choice. Maybe you are learning Python or you want to learn Java or C++ or C#, then you can choose any language of your choice. Okay, yona link ke yokuqala lena useful if you are doing a course related to technology, either ICT or software engineering, or you are a programmer. Okay, another link you futhi engizoyishare is this one, but it's still the same. It's from W3 Schools, just that, yeah. Happening here in this link is what language. Okay, so lapha ke you'll select any a topic or a title of Nugufunda and scroll down. Yes, you can select any of the topic also Nugufunda. Okay, yeah, this link is still from W3 Schools. Another link futhi engizoyishare .NET CSharp. Yes, it's from .NET CSharp, but lelo kunjani that document iyenziwe Microsoft. Yeah, so nalapha you learn anything, you just select a topic ofuna ukuyifunda, then the pace yakho, nobody's pushing you ukuthi do this now. No, you just select a topic ofuna ukuyifunda, then you gain more information. How to learn code? Code, you must have the concept and master the syntax of doing the code, then practice. Practice makes perfect. Thank you guys. Video yami iphelele lapha, and the next time maybe ngizobonisa ukuthi how to, maybe if you want to develop a website but you want to use an existing template. Yes, so you can download a template. Another okay, nanga lama lokunjani lama website lama links or to learn code. Yes, these are the links azosiza if you want to learn code. Bengisakhuluma ngelo kunjani ukuthi if you want to download a template and use an existing template to develop your own website, and then you may need this way. Yes, you may need this app. It is on HT-Track website. Yes, if you want to download an app, a template. Yes, if you want to download a website and then you use the code of that website, we manipulate uyenze ibe ile ndlela wena ofuna ngayo, but using an existing code noma existing website. Uyakwazi ukuthi usebenzise this app to download a website noma a template of a website, then bese uyimanipulate icode uyishintshe ku HTML uyenze ibe indlela oyifuna ngayo. So I think ngizoyenza ke lo code, but for now ake siqedela indaba yethu. Okay, thank you guys.